What if I told you that you don't need a camera to create professional videos anymore, and you can even start for free? Many people think AI video creation is expensive. The truth is, Google Flow has made it much easier for beginners to create amazing videos. Hello, I'm Ada, and welcome to Ada Visuals, where I show you practical ways to use AI to grow your business, create better content, and work smarter. Now, let's get into it.
So open your chat GTP. Maybe if you have your story, you type it, or if you have it in your mind, you can just use the mic and say it. Then when you're done, you can now press send. This is to generate your story, both your video prompt, your image prompt, and all that, depending on what you want from chat GTP. So I have pasted my own story, and this is what it generated. Now we are going to copy the text to take one or two images for this tutorial so that we'll understand it very well. Now note that there are different AI apps or sites you can use to generate your image depending on what you want, but I'm going to use Gemini. So here I am copying my prompt, the first scene. Now let's go to Gemini AI to generate the image. So I paste my prompt here. Now, in case it's you that know the quality of the image that you want, you can just say it. But this one has it already, it's 8K. Then if it's a 9.16 like for TikTok and Reels and Shorts, you say it. If it's for a long form video for YouTube, you now put 16 by 9. So this is our first image. It has been generated. This is good. So we are going to save it now. So after saving it, we are going to go back to ChatGTP to take our second image. Just note that I'm not going to do all the whole story here so that this video is not going to be too long. I want it to be short. So this is our second image prompt. I've copied it from ChatGTP. Now we will still head back to Gemini to go and generate the second image. So here it says, just like I said before, your ratio depending on what you want, the quality of the image, but I think 8K is the highest. So if ChatGPT did not add it on the prompt, you can add it here on Gemini or whatever AI you're using. So this is what it generated. I've saved it. Now this is the main cocoa, how to use Google Flow to generate your videos. Open your Google Flow, put in your Gmail, sign in and do necessary things. Then click on this one to bring that your image. So allow it to upload very well. While that is happening, we'll go back to ChatGTP to take our video prompt, our camera angle, because that is how I wanted it to be. That is what I told ChatGTP should give me a good camera angle and the dialogues. Now let's copy. I'll copy everything from ChatGTP. Now we'll go back to Flow AI. So that's we're going to animate our image to make it a video. Yeah, so now this is it. Then when you come here, you can see our image have finished uploading. Now paste those prompts. Now come here that you are seeing animate to check if it's on image or on video. Then how many seconds, how many do you want the video to come at, 1 or 2? There are different types here. You can see mini flash, VEO3, fast and whatever. So you make your choice, but some are not free. So when you're done, you just click on send and give it time. Voila, this is our video. Now we are going to click on it and see what we got, if it's really the prompt that we gave.
Kemi, come collect this one.
Guy, today no be for stress, so relax, Joe. Life now once.
This is beautiful. This is it. So we'll go back for the second video prompt to copy it as well. So and see what it gave us. Note, this is free. I did not pay anything, but I'm going to tell you the secret at last at the end of this video. how you can get as many as you can. Now come back, upload the second image. Now paste the video prompts and the dialogues here. Still check back for it to confirm, because sometimes these things, they can move you to image without you knowing. So check your how many seconds you want before you hit send. Our second video is ready. Now let's see what we have on this one.
Don't bother coming. We're celebrating with your sister. You made your own choices. Live
This
with
is
them.
beautiful.
Google Flow lets you turn a single image and a script into a realistic talking video. That's exactly the method I use for my own AI presenter videos. Best part is that you don't need expensive cameras, a professional studio. If you can write a script, you're already halfway there. Imagine creating tutorials, business videos, product promotions, or educational content without ever standing in front of a camera. AI isn't here to replace your creativity. It's here to help you create faster, stay consistent, and spend more time on the ideas that matter. I hope you found this helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and share this video with someone who needs it. And if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next AI tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, AI won't replace you, but someone using AI might.